2023 has seen an explosion of AI innovation. From voice cloning American presidents.
By the way, Trump, did you finish collecting oak logs?
Almost, Obama. Did you finish building our rooms?
Yeah, bro, it's all done.
To crafting digital art that's indistinguishable from reality. This year has truly been the year for artificial intelligence. So with just 8 days left for the year, I thought I'd go back and take you guys through a countdown of the top 10 AI tools that blew my mind. Starting at number 10, we have 11 Labs, which I believe personally is the pinnacle of voice cloning technology. Here's a deepfake audio that I created of Joe Rogan getting into an argument with young Jamie.
Have you seen the video of the moose getting hit by a car? It is absolute insanity. Jamie, can you pull that up?
Sure, let me see if I can find your freaking moose video.
Is everything okay, Jamie?
Yeah, everything's fine. I'm just having one of those days.
Jamie, I don't know what the hell has gotten into you lately, but I am definitely getting really sick and tired of your bullshit.
Oh, of my bullshit.
Literally thousands of people on TikTok could not tell that that was a fake video. Moving on to number 9, we have Adobe Firefly 2. Its text-to-image AI feature, in my experience, can generate some of the most realistic AI-generated images out there. The level of detail and accuracy it achieves is simply astonishing. At number 8, we have Kaiber. I've used its video-to-video tool a number of times in my videos, and the results are always outstanding. Very easy to use, and I plan on using this tool more in 2024. Next on our list, we have Magnific AI. Now, this tool just came out recently, but its image enhancement tool is unbelievable. You can use this tool to enhance a photo back from the 1980s, or you could even use this tool from images that you're generating from Midjourney. Number 6 brings us another late 2023 tool called Krea AI. Its real-time video-to-video tool is out of this world. I think once they improve this tool, this will change the game from Teams video calling or even streaming. Sliding in at number 5 is Adobe Photoshop Beta. I will never go back to the normal Photoshop. Some of the images that are being created are absolutely remarkable. At number 4, we have Insight Face Swap. So this tool is an extension that you can use within Midjourney. It helped me create some of the best professional LinkedIn profile photos for myself and for others. Check out this video if you want to create one for yourself. At number 3 on the list, we have Midjourney, a tool that has evolved immersively since January 2023, and it's now in its 6th version. The images it creates are visual masterpieces. I use these images in my thumbnails, but sometimes I also use these when converting images to video. Moving on to number 2, we have Runway ML. When this video generator initially came out, I wasn't completely amazed, besides the clean interface. But once they released the motion brush and the camera motion feature, I was completely amazed at how it brought images to life. I expect to use more of this in 2024. And at number 1, we have ChatGPT. Well, let's be honest, there's no large language model that is close to competing with ChatGPT. This year alone, we saw the release of ChatGPT 4, the ChatGPT app, ChatGPT Voice, ChatGPT Vision, DALL-E 3, and even custom GPTs. I'm looking very forward to what 2024 has in stock for OpenAI. So that's it for the list, guys. Let me know if I missed any of your favorites down in the comment section below. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.